tickly part of the tree combo, which is the kick series. This is not even remotely a plus one in anything before that. So we're all sort of new at the kick series. And it is a Tai Chi thing. So that's why I'm going to do it for you. So for the kick series here, we're gonna do it in two parts each way, each side. So the beginning one, again, if you put your toe a little bit out to the corner, not 45 degrees, but just a little bit off forward, you'll balance better. The first kick is just a knee lift forward, right? Then the next part is the kick out, and it's a heel. It's pressing your heel forward. It's not pointing your toe forward. It's pressing your heel forward. So that's the kick part. The hands are going to do something sort of interesting that you kind of need to pay attention to. In traditional Tai Chi, the foot that kicks has the hand as it's sweeping out. That hand is on the bottom of your crossed wrists. I've got these little things on my wrist so you can see them today. So I've crossed my wrists and I lift up and circle out. So it's sort of just a circling motion that you coordinate. The lift here and the putting back down to the floor. So it's an inhale as you lift and then an exhale as you drop. If you're going to kick out forward, your inhale, that hand is on the bottom and it comes out and you complete your kick as the hands come here and then it comes back down. So lifting, whoops, let's do that again. Lifting and kicking. Okay, do it on the other side. Other hands on the bottom, lifting and kicking. How high do you lift? How high do you kick? That's, you do you. If you're flexible and strong, you can kick all the way up to here. It doesn't matter, okay? Or you can kick down here. You could just tap your heel if you needed to. It's just what works for you today with the body you brought with you today. All right, so the second part of this is to the corner, all right? So you're going to lift to the corner and then you're going to kick to the corner. There you can see my heel kicking out pretty good. So again, it's the same hand on the bottom that the foot kicks out. It's the same hand on the bottom that the foot and the knee lifts. I'll do that in correct order this time. Knee lifting, foot kicking. Other side, knee lifting. I've changed hands. Foot kicking. Awesome. Let's look at it from a different point of view, different perspective. So here I am. I'm crossing this hand on the bottom. That knee is lifting forward. I'll do that another time. And now I'll do the actual kick out. You can see that heel is what is the prominent feature of the kick. Inhaling, kicking, and dropping. Do the other side. Lifting, kicking. And this is the straightforward one. I don't know how many I'm doing of each one of these. I'm just trying to get you to understand what you're supposed to do. So if you're going to do it to the corner, it's going to be this same hand, leg on the bottom, lifting and down. And this is sort of a prep to your kick. So your body can get used to the idea of balancing and moving those arms and then kicking out. So you inhale and kick. Same to the other corner. Other hands on the bottom. Lifting. Lifting. I'll do the kick this time. And lift and kick. And I think what we're actually doing is one lift and one kick. All right, let's try it from the back and see how badly I can screw it up. So one lift, synchronize that, one kick. And really it's just trying to synchronize your arms. My other hand's on the bottom. Lifting and kicking. And then to the corner, changed my hands. And lift and kick. And the other side, I've changed my hands. Out, inhale, lift, kick. It's not as confusing as you're making it, so don't worry about it. Forward, inhaling, kicking. The other side, other hands on the bottom. I'll go to the corner now. Inhale, lift, and inhale, kick. The side facing you all. Inhale, lift. Inhale, kick. And down it goes. Remember, you don't have to do it to such high intensity. There are some people that are going to be able to kick way the hell out there, and you don't need to do that at all, okay? It could just be as high as that, and you're still kicking. It can just be as high as that, and you're still lifting. You don't have to do a rocket, okay? So don't worry about that. The point is, get the breath, get the movement, get the concepts. Don't worry about the little minutia of how high do I lift? How far do I kick? What's going to happen if you try to kick farther, if you try to kick out, you're going to lose your balance. That's the whole point of the lifting first and then the kicking out. Because you're really not doing anything else with your legs. You're just pulling the muscles to extend the base of the leg, and that's all. Right? You're just doing this, and then you're straightening the leg. That's really the kick. It's not a kick. Okay, that's the point of this whole workup of how to do it. All right, so we've got rooster, needle. We've got crane, needle, rooster, kick. And then next time I'll do the tree. And I'm not qualified really to do the tree yet, but once I'm certified in Bamboo Fusion, I'll do the whole thing over for you. But this is just to help everybody out in the process of learning. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, go with the flow.